Okay, hi, I'm back and I'm going to be teaching you how to make a pea stove that can bring the rain. Okay, first in this you just want to start with whatever color you want the pea stove to be on the bottom. So this is the only paper I could find, so I'm just going to make it a white pea stove. Makes sense, doves are white. First step you want to do, just valley fold your paper in half. Try to get it as perfect as possible. And then you take it and you fold it in half again. So it ends up like this. So you've just taken it and you just valley fold this and valley fold this. Okay. Now you take this piece of paper and you fold it back. So you have your flaps here. Just fold this back to the point up there. So you get this. Then you take this, you repeat that on the other side. And then you take this with one layer and just fold it straight up to the top. Now you want to unfold that step and inside reverse this. Except now it looks like this. So you can, then you repeat this step on the reverse side of the model. And besides, if you're wondering where the name pea stove that can bring the rain came from, that came from a friend. We just thought it was a good name, so we kept it. And now you take this. It does not really matter. The angle doesn't really matter. But you just want it to kind of look like a head here. You want to fold that real good. So fold this. And you want to inside reverse fold that. It's just kind of hard because you have to fold all those layers. But you should get something that looks like a head. Now you take where the inside reverse fold was and fold it up like this. And you want to repeat that on the other side. And now you take this, fold it all the way over, then fold it halfway. So you're preparing for a squash fold. And you squash fold this. Now you fold this. You just take this, now it's like this, and fold it back. And kind of unfold it so it kind of gives it a tail look. Unfold the wings a little. And now you have your pea stove that can bring the rain. Or if you want to stay with the pea stove part, piece. But it's preferred bring the rain. Thanks for watching.